Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in Australia. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So the first way is to head on over to amazon.jobs. Now from here, it's going to say find jobs and location. So where it says search for jobs, type in warehouse as a keyword or something similar, and then location, obviously put in Australia or Sydney or Melbourne, depending where you are, and then click search. Then from here, you're going to have a list of jobs on the right hand side. If we scroll down, you can look at all the different jobs that are related to that keyword. And you can also filter on the left hand side. So we can filter by industry experience, job type, category, country, region, state, province, city, team, role type, category. Now the next way to do this is to go to seek.com.au. Now once we're over at seek.com.au, we want to go ahead and type in warehouse again, and also you can leave classification as blank, but you can scroll down and choose something similar to warehouse. Manufacturing, transport, logistics could be one, so that one. And then you can put in your suburb, and then on the left hand side we're going to show all the different type of jobs relating to Amazon in Australia. Now if you like one here, go ahead and click on it, but with the keyword I'm going to need to type in Amazon too, so Amazon warehouse, and hit search. So here we go. So we've got Amazon pick packer, day shift, Amazon LA operators, pick packer. So if you like any one of these jobs, you can go ahead and click onto it and apply. So I'm going to open that up in a new page. So I can see more about the job. Go ahead and click apply, and then go through the process of applying for that job. Same thing here, like back at amazon.jobs. If you like a certain job, you can go ahead and click into it, and then you can read more about the job, the description, scroll down, key responsibilities, basic qualifications, and click apply now. But I find Seek at this point in time is a little bit better to find Amazon warehouse jobs than Amazon.jobs. Let me know in the comments below which site do you prefer to use for finding Amazon jobs or warehouse jobs.